Hey everyone, welcome to Homes for Beginners, where I show you how to do repairs around the house yourself. In this video here, I'll be showing you how to frame an exterior corner in a building. For this, I'm using my garage as an example. Having a properly formed corner not only provides function, but also doesn't cause an inconvenience. For this example, I'll be using a 3-stud corner, but I have also heard it referred to as a California corner. Typically, I like to assemble the corner before it is installed onto the bottom plate. I already have studs pre-cut to length. Two are required for the one wall for this corner. Take the two studs and then form an L. I typically like to take two shorter pieces of 2x4s just to help with the installation and keep everything nice and even. Then the corner is then nailed about every 16 inches. This may vary depending on your local building requirements, so be sure to refer to those documents first. This corner allows the intersecting wall to have a strong connection, a spot where you're able to get insulation in. Interior wall finishes has a mounting point on both walls, and the sheathing can be installed properly on the outside of the wall. Once that corner is constructed, then is installing it onto the bottom plate by nailing it into place. As a second example, again using the same length boards and forming an L. Then nail that corner together. And finally is installing it onto the bottom plate. Working on the bottom plate for the intersecting wall, here you can see how the other wall will fall into place. A stud from this wall will butt up against that corner stud and it'll be fastened in place. Once those walls are raised, everything is braced into place and a level is used to ensure the wall is plumb. Clamps can be used to hold everything in place and help keep everything aligned. Then the corner is fastened together with either nails or screws. Looking at the rear of the building, you can see the outer wall on the left is flush with the rear wall. The longer L portion will be exposed on the inside. When installing the sheathing, you can see we have a spot on the corner to connect to the sheathing. Once that sheathing is fully in place, we still have access from both sides to insulate. I have seen some framing work in the past where someone ends up making a hollow corner that can't have insulation installed easily. Living in a climate that experiences winters, this ends up creating a cold spot along with a bunch of other new problems. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home DIY videos. Thank you for watching.